Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add a size chart on Shopify. So this is actually really simple. So for this one, what you need to do is head over to your app section and search in here for size chart, just like that. So I'm going to be searching in here for size chart and click on search. You can also do this in your apps section, so just hold on a bit. Let me just close this, and you can see we have all recommended app section. We can go there, and these are basically you need to own Shopify app store. So install any integration for the size chart. You have a lot of them in here, so it is no uh, worry to add this. So you can see we simply need to add search in here size chart, and here you got a couple of them. So I recommend you can go with something with nice rating and good uh, plans available. So this one have free plan available. We got some more as well. So let's just install actually this one, since this is completely free and gonna be offering the best. So click on this, and you easily need to install it like you do to all other apps. And once you come across this one, you will have your size charts introduced. So how they are going to be looking onto your site is basically you can have an idea using the screenshots and everything. So you can see you can have XL, large, medium, and everything easily added to your product. So this is how easy it is. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.